You know, after you keep going to these dealerships, you just get a favorite person to talk to. Hey, what's up, sliders and gliders? Hey man, today is a beautiful day. It's Saturday afternoon. And it's a beautiful, cloudy and sunny, 81 degrees here in Houston, Texas. Man, yesterday, the sun was so bright, it was 82 degrees, that I tried to shoot. It was too bright for the cameras. So I hope your day is going well. I just decided to hop on the bike today, ride to the Honda dealership, and check out some Honda Gold Wings. I just want to see what the hype is all about. I may get a chance to ride, depending on the weather, get a test ride in, depending on the weather. In A-Town, that weather can change in a blink of an eye. But I really like a chance to go and test drive one of them Gold Wings, or Gold Wangies, so I like slappy. Yeah, so I'm gonna just head up to the dealership, man, look at a few Gold Wings. So yeah, just come on, slide with me. Let's go check out some of them Gold Wangies. And if I get a chance to ride one, I'll take you with me. I don't know if you saw my last video where I called my bike paid off. So I'm ready to put another bike in the stable. I know next weekend I'm going to the Harley-Davidson demo days and check out a road glide. I've already rode a street glide, so I want to check out the road glide. But today I want to check out the Gold Wing, because I definitely want to add another bike. And I know the Gold Wing is one of the, you know, touring bikes. But but last year I did 800 miles on this bike. So this Japanese bike is worthy, baby. I wouldn't even think about getting rid of her. I mean, I really don't care how good of a deal they would give me, because the goal is to have two bikes. Yeah, it's a lot more windier out here today than it was yesterday. So I'm gonna let the visor down. The wind feels really good, but just for the audio purposes, I'm gonna let the shield down. But it feels really good out here, and I have no idea which bike I'm gonna like. I mean, I love the bike I'm on. I like baggers. I really like the look of the road glide, probably versus the street glide. And I haven't ridden a road glide yet, so I still have to ride one to see. The Gold Wing is just a little quiet for me. I don't know, because maybe this is my first bike and I just want to hear the rumble and the roar. And I know the road glide will give me that. And I'm pretty sure that the Gold Wing will give me, you know, more comfort. I'm pretty sure the audio is better with the shield down, but I'm going to raise it back up. I mean, that wind just feels so good with the visor up, so hopefully the audio is still okay. But yeah, we sliding, baby. Hopefully my favorite salesman is here at the Honda dealership. I mean, I could talk to somebody else, but you know, after you keep going to these dealerships, you just get a favorite person to talk to. You got that Gold Wangy?
Yeah, how's it going?
All right.
Good.
Clutch, man. And what year is this one?
25.
This is 25?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at this Gold Wangy. Like, Slappy Adventures would say, the gold wangy. Yeah, she nice, man.
Yeah, I love it, man. I'm riding all the time, every day. Yeah, planning my next trips. So I'm getting trips to Austin over spring break, and this summer I'm gonna try to get up to Maine.
Well, hey, man, you got my YouTube channel. Hit me up in the comments.
Okay, I will. All right.
And maybe we can get together, man.
Sounds good. Yeah, we ain't far. Okay.
All right. Like Slappy say, that gold wangy. All right, we're here, man, at the Honda dealership. And I see a couple of gold wings I have some questions about. So, I mean, while I'm here, I'm just gonna ask some questions and see if I can get a salesman to help me out. I mean, this is their used bikes. I'm gonna have to go inside and see. Oh, here's one. But I would like for them to tell me, you know, what year it is. I mean, she's nice. Let's see how heavy she is. Oh man, it's low to the ground. And it's not that heavy. I was able to pick it up. It just looked like a lot right here, man. Wow. You know, compared to what I'm used to. But it seems like, you know, has a good balance to it. So the handlebars are just like the Road Glide. The fairing is fixed. Maybe I can get one of the guys to come out here. Oh, well, shoot. I just passed another one, the burgundy right here. Let's walk in here. 2017. Yeah, it is quiet, man. I like it. Between the two, I like both of them.
This is a 19 or 17. This is like an 08, 09.
Okay. And they don't look too much difference in body style.
Not much.
08, 09 versus a 17.
Mm-hmm.
Man, they look, I mean, what? Not much has changed on them, huh? Man, this joker's so quiet, sound like a like a space machine.
It basically is. It's a spaceship.
Wow, that's crazy.
But it's one of the most comfortable things on two wheels out there. People buy these, and from the moment they buy it, they put like 300, 500 miles.
Wow.
This one, well, it's kind of bike you sit on and you keep going.
Yes, keep going. I know they're comfortable, man. I sit on it. The weight is real balanced on there. I sit on it for earlier.
That's the good thing, because when bikes are that big, you don't want to feel the weight.
Right.
Because a lot of bikes, when you go to like a stoplight, you'll notice the one side is heavier than the other.
Yeah, that's for sure. How much is this weight?
Oh man, these things are like 800-900 pounds.
About
but
9.
The weight is kind of in the middle.
Correct.
So you don't feel it as much.
Correct.
Even more on the newer gold wings. The new gold wings, you don't even feel it.
Hey man, tell my people your name and man where they can come see you at.
What's up everybody? My name's G. I'm one of the salespeople here at Honda Houston. If you guys need a bike, feel free to come by. We'll definitely love to help you guys out.
And they right here on the corner of 290 and Huffmeister, man. Just look for the motorcyclists on the top of the sign, and we're here. So I'm just checking out some of the gold wings. He came and started one up for me. Now, Rodrigo told me if I ride one, he said I'll never ride that Kawasaki again. I don't believe that. I don't believe that,
well,
man.
you still want to have that for around the city,
right?
But when you hop on this,
oh, so you put miles on this one, huh?
You put miles on this one.
Okay. Okay. How many miles is on this one?
50,000, I think. Oh, this one has 100. I think that one has 50.
100,000.
Yeah, but 100,000 for a gold wing?
Nothing.
Is nothing.
Wow. So you say you could put an exhaust on it, huh?
You can. You definitely can.
Yeah, I know another YouTuber, Kelly B. Glide, and he has a beautiful gold wing, and I think he changed the exhaust on his, man. It sounds beautiful.
Yeah, and since it has dual, you'd be changing out both sides.
Okay. Okay. Can you open that trunk?
Yeah.
How much trunk space you got in there? Oh man, I could put probably 2 full face helmets in there, huh? Man, that is a lot of room. I like it, man. And I'm looking at the clouds.
Yeah,
looking,
yeah, it's getting closer to that traffic time too.
Yeah, and it's getting close to the traffic, so it's looking a little wicked. So, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and check out one. Hey, man, I appreciate you
Of course, man.
taking the time.
You know, you're welcome.
Appreciate
Anytime.
it.
Any
Appreciate
bikes
it.
you want to look at, you feel free to come by.
I'm almost scared to go and test ride one of these gold wings because the owner already told me if I test ride one that I would give up my I would give up my bike. You know, I'm almost scared to go test drive a road glide, and only for the reasons that test driving a road glide or a gold wing, I may want another bike. You know, I actually do want another bike. But do I need another bike? No, I don't need another bike. Just like I don't need another gun, another pew-pew. I have plenty of pew-pews. Although bikes are way more expensive, but I want another bike. Sliders and gliders. Hey, I made it back to the La Casa, man. Hey, man, it's still a beautiful day. And it got a little cool on the ride back home, man. So I had to stop, put on a thicker shirt, man, because it started getting cool. The temperature is dropping now. Hey, I appreciate you sliding with me to the dealership. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if this is your first time to the channel, hey, man, welcome. I'm your boy, Clutch C. And if you've already a subscriber, men or women, hey, thanks for rocking with me again. So, hey, what did you think about those gold wings, man? What do you ride? So, hey, would you ride a gold wing or it's not your style? I just want to put something new in the stable, man. This one is paid off and I'm ready to put a second bike in the stable. So put it down in the comments, tell me what you think. And hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. Hey, and thanks for rocking with me to the end. And make sure you keep Twoz on the ground and always keep your head on the swivel. Later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.